Let's talk about another angle measuring example. This one, what happens if the angle looks like this? Now you might be thinking that looks upside down. It's not, because there is no right side up or upside down with angles, okay? We would still measure this the exact same way. My vertex is that point that's right there, right where the two sides meet. That's my vertex. So I'm going to take my protractor, and again, I'm going to line it up perfectly. So the vertex is right there, and I'm going to put one side along one side of the angle. So I could go like this. Okay? I wouldn't want to go like this, because then the angle's not being measured by the protractor. So I could go like this. Okay, line it up. And then since I'm counting up, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, right? 47, 48, somewhere around 47 or 48 degrees. Okay? And you say, well, what if I would have come at it a different way? What if I would have come at a different angle, so to speak? What if I would have lined it up along this side and I would have put this right here? That's fine. That would work too. Counting up, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46. Looks right, the same exact spot, right? 45 is right there, 50 is right there. It's right there at that 45, 40, 47, right? 47 degrees. Okay, it works either way. Which means you can also say what to do. What if I had a small, tiny little sided angle? If I needed to measure something like this. If I try to measure an angle like this, I might have some initial issues, right? I can't see it. But all you need to do is extend one side so that you can. Now this side is already extended by that blue line, so then I can do this. That's my vertex right there. Line it up. Now notice I can see it's right at 30 degrees. So this would be a 30-degree angle. Extending a side doesn't make it bigger. That would still be a 30-degree angle, no matter what. Okay? Same thing if I had an angle like this. Okay, what about this angle? Well, we're going to do the same thing. The vertex is right there. So I'm going to line this up with the vertex. Now, since it's going around this way, we're going to count up from this side, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Going all the way around here. Now we get all the way 120, 130, 140. There's 145, so 140, 141, looks like it's right at 142. This is a 142-degree angle. Now, what were to happen, though? What if I said, measure this angle on this side? What if I extended that side and said, measure this angle? Now, some of you would know already what this should be, but let's measure it. If I take my protractor and I measure it, counting up, right? Here we go. Lined up with the vertex. 10, 20, 30, 30. Well, we got 38, I think. Oop. 35, 36, 37, 38. Looks like it's right at 38 degrees. Well, that's interesting. What is 142 degrees and 38 degrees together? Wouldn't that be 180 degrees? Which is what a straight line is. Right? Which is also what a straight line is, because if you think about the protractor itself, right? 10, 20, 30, right? Counting all the way up. 170, if I get to a straight line, 180 degrees. Okay? This is some basics of how you measure angles with a protractor.